Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your website traffic with Ahrefs detailed guide step by step clearly. To protect your website traffic with Ahrefs, begin by creating an Ahrefs account if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, navigate to the Site Explorer tool. Input your website's URL into the search bar and select the search button. This will load a comprehensive overview of your site's performance metrics. Pay close attention to the organic traffic section to identify trends and fluctuations. Next, delve into the Backlink Profile tab. Analyze your backlinks to ensure they are from reputable sources. Identify any toxic backlinks that may pose a risk to your website's authority. Utilize the disavow feature if you discover harmful links. Download the disavow file and submit it to Google Search Console. Then, use the Content Explorer tool to find content topics that resonate with your audience. Make a list of high-performing articles that may drive significant traffic. Next, check for potential keyword cannibalization issues using the Keywords report. If you find conflicting keywords, consider consolidating your content. Use the Alerts feature to stay updated on new backlinks and mentions of your brand. Set up alerts for any sudden drops in traffic or rankings for timely action. Monitor your website's health regularly with the Site Audit tool. Look for any technical issues that may impact user experience or SEO. Make necessary adjustments based on the audit's recommendations. Perform regular competitor analysis to understand market shifts using the Competing Domains report. Identify what strategies are working well for your competitors. Finally, continuously optimize your website content using insights gathered from Ahrefs. Implement these strategies to safeguard and enhance your website traffic effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.